this video, I will show you how to send BNB from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. And if you haven't started yet on Crypto.com, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a possible $50 reward as a starting bonus. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now. And from our Trust Wallet home tab, we're going to click on BNB in our Asset Crypto section. So let's click on this. And from here, we're going to click on Send. In this section, we need to add in the wallet address from our Crypto.com app. So let's go over to Crypto.com to obtain this wallet address. From our Crypto.com app, we're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. From here, we're going to click on Crypto Wallet at the top. And in here, we are going to click on Transfer. So in here, click Deposit. And now select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. So we are sending BNB. So let's type in BNB, and in here we see it. Right now, we're going to select the network, and the only one available is BSC. And that is standing for Smart Chain. So let's click on BSC, click on Done. And in here we have our wallet address. So let's copy this to our clipboard. And down below we can see the estimated arrival time, and that is around 3 minutes. So let's go back to our Trust Wallet to paste in this wallet address. So I have pasted in the address, and in the amount section, I'm going to click on Max because I want to send everything. And then I'm going to click on Next. And in this screen, you will see all the details of your transfer. So you can see the asset you're sending, the wallet address you're sending from and to, the network fee, and the total price. And if everything is correct, you need to click on Confirm. And I also want to mention that it is really important that you always match the networks whenever you're sending crypto from one wallet to another. Because if you do not match the networks, then your crypto might get lost. So this is really important. So please be sure that you have the right network selected, and if everything is alright, click on Confirm. And that is basically how you send BNB from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. It is really straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.